sorry. I have thoroughly analyzed our surroundings, and I'm afraid that there is absolutely no means of escape. Except that.
Someone's got a girlfriend.
I will be right back.
Don't stop for anything along the way.
Well. And here we are in the planet prison. We're revisiting this planet actually because we already have been here. And I'm going to commit suicide. This is the very first planet in the game, if you guys didn't notice. What? Die. As you guys noticed, these are the very first enemies also because...
Hammerbot acquired. Use it to hammer objects.
Because Clank wouldn't be strong enough to defeat the red ones. Shoot me up. Oh yeah.
To control microbots, hold triangle and select a command.
I know. Damn it. Okay. Oh, that was tight. Ah, closed the text, but anyway, it was going to say G, make them enter. So we can't go through this way because those spiders will kill her. We need to go around and make them kill that spider. And the spiders are going back up, so we need to send our little children to kill them. Oh, damn it. Just waiting for that guy. And now for the killing. Still a bit for that weapon. Haha! Triple kill. Damn it. Ah, fuck. See, with just one hit, we lost a big chunk of HP. No, I was trying to do the boost with Clank, but I totally forgot that we weren't with him right now. back to Clank. So this is like playing Witcher 2 at the same time. Whoa, what was that? Oh crap, I didn't. Ah, fuck you! I need to return. Ah, freaking bastards. Wasn't counting on that attack. We only need this robot so that we can extend till this part, so that we can glide over that place and get another one. Damn it, I needed two of them. So that one is the sacrifice. Damn it. Oh. Again. 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 Ah. And Clank's segment is done. And there's the last wrench upgrade.
Check this out. Another wrench.
I don't know why it simply changes the wrench, like derp, the one that I have sucks. Oh, again I was trying to do the long jump. Ooh, didn't fall for just a little bit.
So, did you run into your little friend out there?
I do not know what you mean.
Now that I noticed, there's no smoke coming from Clank when he does that. Oh well. We need to deactivate the lasers, but first suicide. Oh damn it. Ah, that was a fail. I kinda wanted to get that bolt over there. But we need to start doing this as soon as we fall off. Oh, now there's the smoke. Damn it, I'm going to die.
This force field must be deactivated to access your ship.
I know. Where did I come from? Okay, I suppose I'm going first to this place. Remember the quark statue that I talked earlier in the last part? Well, we're going to get it now. Damn it. I think it's in this segment that we get it, actually. I almost have enough bolts for the plasma coil. Good thing that in Ratchet and Clank 3 we're going to get that weapon free. Damn it! Totally forgot about this. Lava has nothing on me. Fuck! The helmet is the only thing that's left. Freaking stupid glitch from the collection. And me being stupid already cost me dying 2 times, and because of that this video is going to be longer. Oh, actually this wasn't the segment I was hoping for. This was the needed one.
Ratchet, Clank, I hope this gets through to you. I'm transmitting from the Thugs for Less fleet. This ship just returned from a megacorp distribution center, and I think I found the answer to...
Hey, who's there?
Meow.
Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing here? Sending a message to your little pals, huh? Well, say goodbye, boys. Take her to headquarters.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yes, Angela knows how to defeat the protopet.
And
And she does a terrible cat impression.
we have to rescue her from the thugs.
Agreed. We need that answer.
And we have to protect her.
Okay. I will upload the coordinates.
Ratchet wants to bank Angela. Though it's a shame that she got basically forgotten in later Ratchet and Clank games. That's a shame. Well, at least now the force field is off. And I'm going to the other segment that is this way. This wasn't the one I wanted to go first, actually. I don't know why I missed it. And I went the other one around, but nothing that I can do now, right? Time for secret subliminal messages.
Hey, I know those pants.
Consarn it! Here's the problem.
Excuse us, sir. What are you doing here? In this galaxy?
I can't control where things break. I just fix them.
Surely someone in this galaxy can...
Shh! I know that, but they don't. I get triple time and travel expenses.
Ew. What's that?
Some dead-burned fool flushed this perfectly good Quark action figure. Sure, it's a little ripe, but look at that craftsmanship. You want to buy it?
I already had bolts for it.
There you go, pal. See you in another year or so.
What did he mean by that?
See you in another year. I think I can break the ice. Well, he means see you in Ratchet and Clank 3. In Ratchet and Clank 3, when you see it for the first time in Planet Aquatos, he's going to see, right on schedule. That means it's a year has passed from the last Ratchet and Clank game. And this is all for this part, I suppose, because now we're going to Planet Gorn. And I suppose I'll see you guys there. Respawned while returning to our ship, supposedly. Oh damn it, I didn't notice this guy. There's a bolt if you guys didn't notice. But we won't be able to get it